Hit it.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for another day. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me and this is your very first time here, my name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to talk about a new segment called Did You Miss This? Now, in that segment, I am going to be showcasing some old DIY projects or how to make projects that I have done in the past. My reason for doing that is because I have so many DIYs that sometimes people have a hard time trying to find or locate some things in my playlist. Well, I have decided to come to you all to show you some random makes that I created. If you've missed it, to go and review and check the video for yourself. Okay, this is the very first one that I am doing for the segment. Did you miss this? These earrings were created a few months ago in a DIY project. If you want to recreate these earrings, I am going to leave a link somewhere down in the description box. These earrings, I'm going to say, are pretty much made out of wood. As a matter of fact, this top part here is a popsicle stick, and these are post earrings. They're very, very lightweight. You can make and create these earrings for anyone, even yourself, any special occasion, okay? You can take and paint these, not just black and white. You can do them in red, green, orange, whatever color you choose, okay? So if you would like to create these, once again, I'm going to leave the link somewhere in the description box for you all to go over and click it and watch at your convenience, okay? Once again, thank y'all so very much for joining me for this here new segment to my channel. I hope that this will help as many people as possible. If anyone is in need of learning how to make or create things, please send them over here to LaJoytra Creation Designs. So if you like this video, as always, you already know, thumbs it up, share, and until my next one, I want to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Thank y'all so very much for all of your support and for taking out the time to watch this video. And once again, y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.